different fruits in the market. Ayan, different fruits. Different fruits here in Hong Kong. These are the dragon fruit and the watermelon, and then the papaya, the avocado, the kiwi, green and yellow kiwi. Guys, ayan. Ito yung pomelo, green apple, and pears. And this is also the pears. So ito, bibili ako ng apple gala for my grandma's. And guys, ang lalaki ng orange. Yan. Ito naman ay Taiwan mango. Yan, Taiwan mango. Ang lalaki ng Taiwan mango. Vietnamese mango. Yan. Taiwan mango. Ang lalaki. Ito Taiwan mango. Vietnamese mango. Taiwan golden mango. Yan. Ito yung ating papaya. Philippine papaya. Korean marshmallow, Bambino watermelon. Yan. Ito naman yung ating pineapple. Yan, ang ating pinya. Yan, yung mga iba't ibang watermelon. Different kinds of watermelon. Yan, ang daming watermelon. Iba't ibang watermelon, guys. Ayan. Pomelo.